First off, I wanna thank all my haters. You made me so strong. This is my dream. Pushers is on my team.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. So it's morning, Friday morning. So today I'm gonna do a little haul for you guys. Yes, me already wake up, brush my teeth, wash my face, pee, moisturize my lip. I know I'm gonna do a little haul for you. So if you're ready, sit down and relax. I got a few little things at Marshall's and TJ Maxx, and I'm just coming this morning to share them with you. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna wash this today, so let me just put this here so I can put them on it. So the first thing is my Prime delivery, and I think I know what this is. This is my Sigma Kabuki Brush. Let's just see. Yep, it is. Here it is. So it's the F80 Sigma Kabuki Brush. I paid $25 for this on Amazon. This is originally the face brush that I use for applying my foundation, and I just don't feel like I should use anything else but this. So yeah, I love this because it's flat and it's very firm. It's not as soft as some, you know, and this one don't even feel that firm. I don't even know if this is the original, but hey, it looks like the original. Yeah, I like this to apply my powder. To me, it's just the best. So this is what I use. And okay, and then what else I got here? I got a few little things that I picked up at Marshall's, so I'm gonna share them with you. I picked up a color hand sanitizer. This was $1.99. It smells alcoholic. It smells like alcohol. So that's good. This is just to have in the car, you know. Yeah. I saw this in Marshall's and I'm like, I want one of them, yeah. Tiger Balm for pain. $3.99. You rub it wherever you feel the pain. I don't know if it's true, but I'm gonna try it. Okay, the next thing I'm showing you guys is this foundation. It's Blur Liquid Matte Foundation by Milk. This retails for $40 and I got it for $9.99. I got it in the shade Caramel. So I did swatch on my hand and it looked okay, but I want to try it on my face. So this is Caramel, and I don't really I love makeup, but I don't really wear makeup. Maybe it's because I don't know how to do it to a perfection, or I just can't, but sometimes I just want to be free. I like to freelance. I don't like to be trapped. So when I'm wearing makeup, I can't scratch my face, I can't wipe my eyes. I have to be very particular. I don't like that. I like writing down stuff, so I'm always getting book. This is a 3-pack for $5.99, but I already took one out, so it has 2 left. This says callus remover cream. I didn't see that it was a cream and not a gel. Yeah, it is a cream. Okay, so I want to try this. I got it for $4.99, so I want to try to see what it. Okay, this little thing, I saw this at Marshall's. It was $7.99, but I have an idea for it, so that's why I got it. I wonder if it will leak though, because I plan to put water. It's 5 little things on there if you could see it. So what I'm going to do, put water in there and buy 5 roses and put the roses in there on different length, height, and just put it on my desk. I think that would be cute. So that's that. And I have a bag that I got. Wait, I got another bag at Marshall's. Let's look at this. Just finish up with the makeup. I thought I had a Becca in that. Okay, so these foundation, they're Becca Skin Love. They are amazing. Like, they're just amazing. I don't know what my shade is as yet, but what I do know is that if you mix a light shade with a dark shade at some point with the right measurements, you will get your shade. And that's what I did. I picked 2, so at some point it will be shaded to me. I got Espresso and Noisette or whatever that is. They were on clearance for $6 each. I got this natural vitamin E body butter, Palmer's butter. So I figure I have some serum. I'm gonna pour in this and I'm gonna mix it up and use this for my skin. This is Hydrating Moisturizer, Raw Shea Butter by Shea Moisture. I think I want to use this for my moisturizer for my face whenever I'm gonna apply my makeup. Yeah, so I got that. How much did I pay for this? This was $5.99. I got this mascara set. It was only $2 on clearance at at Marshall's. And I also got this lip glaze by Milk, and I only got it for $5.99. So it's like a lip gloss, you know, give you a moisture on your lip, and I just like it. It's really nice. It feels good. It feels good on the skin. I like it. And it was $5.99. And then my next thing that I got, yesterday I went to Home Goods. I already ordered this on Amazon yesterday. No, the day before yesterday. And I got it. When I went to Home Goods yesterday, I realized that Home Goods has Sigma brushes. $5.99. Can you believe that? So I bought the E68, and that's the liner perfection one. So that's when I'm putting on my what's that? My brows. Yeah. I'll be able to shape it up properly and give it that clean look. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yep. So they didn't have the Kabuki brush though. They had a lot of different ones, but not the Kabuki brush. So, but yeah, this one is a flat. It has a tapered flat edge like, and that's just for lining. So yeah, I think this is good. So these two are perfectly fine. They're exactly what I need. I just need a powdered brush now. Okay, yesterday I saw this. This is also Milk, and it is cinnamon. I'm not sure if it's a little bit darker than caramel. I think caramel is a little bit, no, I think cinnamon is a little bit darker than caramel. So either one should be okay for me as long as I go lightly, you know what I mean, and buff properly. I got this one also for $9.99, and this is Urban Decay's Optical Illusion Complexion Primer. So this is basically what you would put on your face. There's so many things, like you wash your face with whatever you use, then you moisturize it, and you have a primer. So it's like, it depends on you, you know, but whenever I'm using a primer, this is the one that I'm gonna use, the Urban Decay. I got this for $6.99. This is my favorite of them all. I got me a nice little mirror. It's a Hello Kitty. I think it's the Impressions collection Hello Kitty. Yeah, it's Impressions. It is so cute, and y'all know I love Hello Kitty. It's a two-faced mirror. It has 2 times and the regular one here. So that's good for me when I'm making my, I like it when I'm doing my eyebrows, because I can see clearly. It is really nice. I love it. And it also has light, so I would have to pull this thing out so the light can come on, but I'm not ready to use it yet. So yeah, how much did I pay? I paid $12.99 for this. There was another one there. I should have gotten it, but I'm gonna take care of this so I don't have to pick the other one. That's it for my quick haul today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, share them with your friends, comment, and subscribe.